again, Teacher Liz, and welcome back to our online class. Today's topic is about superlative adjectives. This is a continuation of our lesson last week, which is comparative adjectives. Okay, so superlative adjectives. We use superlative adjectives to compare more than. When you say more than, it means makwa. More than two. Makwa, song, two people. When you say more than two, it means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Okay. Two people, more than two people, places, animals, or things. Okay? If you can remember, last week we learned about comparative adjectives, and we use comparative adjectives to compare two people, places, animals, or things. For example, hippo is big and giraffe is bigger than the hippo. So we use comparative adjectives to compare hippo and giraffe, two animals. But for this one, superlative adjectives, we use this to compare more than two. Makwa, song, more than two people, places, animals, or things. For example, okay, in here we have a butterfly, bee, and ant. So we have 1, 2, 3. The adjective is small. The butterfly is small. So this is the adjective. Smaller. The bee is smaller than the butterfly. So in here we compare two, bee and butterfly. 1, 2. That's why we use the comparative form adjectives, which is smaller plus er. And the last one is smallest. The ant is the smallest. The ant is the smallest of the three. So in here, we are comparing 1, 2, 3. That's why we use smallest, which is the superlative adjective. Do you understand? Small, this is the adjective. Smaller, this is the comparative form. We use this to compare two. For example, bee and butterfly. And smallest. We use this to compare more than two. Makwa, song. For example, ant, bee, and butterfly. Another example, big. Okay, so in here we have hippo, elephant, and giraffe. The hippo is big. So big is the adjective. Next we have bigger. The elephant is bigger than the hippo. So bigger is comparative adjective used to compare elephant and hippo. 1, 2. The last one is biggest. The giraffe is the biggest. In here, we use the superlative adjective biggest because we are comparing more than two. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in here we have 3 animals. So we use superlative adjectives. Do you understand? Of course. Okay, so another example. In here we have the adjectives. We have the comparative form. For comparative, if you can remember, we add ER plus ER. And the superlative form plus EST. EST. Okay, so first one, adjective, comparative, superlative. First one is long, longer, longest. Cute, cuter, cutest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. And for long adjectives, beautiful, we add more, more beautiful, suai kwa. And for superlative, we add most, most beautiful, or suai tisu. Okay, now let's answer. So we have tall, taller, the tallest. John is tall. Ben is taller than John. Sam is the tallest of the 3. Okay, so the question is, who is the tallest? Answer, Sam is the tallest. We use the superlative form. Next, we have a bicycle, a car, and an airplane. The bicycle is fast. The car is faster than the bicycle. And the airplane is the fastest. Question: which is the fastest? The answer is, the airplane is the fastest. Okay, so now it's review time. Everybody, let us read. We use comparative adjectives to compare two people, places, animals, or things. And we use superlative adjectives to compare more than two people, places, animals, or things. So that's all for our today's lesson, everyone. I hope you learned something from me. See you again next time. Goodbye.